So students, subject geometry, first chapter, similarity, property 1. The ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of the products of their bases and corresponding heights. So we have two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. In triangle ABC, you can see base BC and height is AD. In triangle PQR, we have base QR and height is PS. So suppose we want to take ratio of areas of these two triangles, that is area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. This is the ratio of areas of two triangles. This will be equal to base of the first triangle BC into height of the first triangle AD, base into height, and again base of the second triangle QR into height of the second triangle PS. So base into height, base into height. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to base into height. You can see base into height upon QR into PS, that is base into height. So ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. You have to remember this, base into height, base into height. Okay, they will not ask you this property directly in exam, but based on this property we will have sums, numericals to solve. So we have to remember this property. After this, second property is the ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal heights is equal to the ratio of their corresponding bases. So again we have triangle ABC and triangle PQR. We have these two triangles. In triangle ABC you can see base BC and height is AD. Height AD we have taken 5 cm. In triangle PQR we have base QR and height is PS. Again PS height is 5 cm. So from this figure you will come to know that height is equal. Here 5 cm, here also 5 cm. So when in two triangles height is equal, then we have to just consider their bases. No need to consider their heights. So you can see area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to base BC upon base QR. So here we have not considered height AD and height PS. Why? Because heights are equal. In previous sum you can see bases are different and heights are different. So we considered both. But in this property, as their heights are equal, we will consider only base. Okay, so this is property 2. Now third property, the ratio of the areas of two triangles with equal bases is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. So this is the third property. In this you can see in triangle ABC base BC 7 cm, in triangle PQR base QR is 7 cm. So in this case their bases are equal. When bases are equal, then we have to consider their heights AD and PS. Okay, so area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AD upon QR. Okay, AD upon PS. AD upon PS. Okay, we have to consider their heights because bases are equal. Now fourth property, if bases and heights both are equal, then we have to take this ratio 1. Okay, suppose we have triangle ABC and triangle PQR. You can see in triangle ABC height AD is 5 cm and base BC is 7 cm. In triangle PQR height PS is 5 cm, base QR is 7 cm. Okay, so in this case you can see heights are equal, bases are also equal. So we are going to take this ratio as 1. That is, these two areas are equal. Area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR both will be equal. Okay, we will revise these all four properties. Suppose we have area of triangle ABC and area of triangle PQR, both bases and heights are different. Then area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to base into height, base into height. Suppose their heights are equal, 5 cm, 5 cm. Then we have to consider their bases. while taking ratio of their areas BC upon QR. Now in third property, suppose their bases are equal, then we have to consider their heights AD upon PS, AD upon PS. And in fourth property, suppose both are equal. Here you can see heights 5 cm, 5 cm, base 7 cm, 7 cm. Then we have to consider their areas ratio as 1, that is their areas are equal. Okay. Let's see practice set 1. First question, you can see first question. Base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of these triangles. So here we have two triangles, first triangle and second triangle. So base of 9, first triangle is 9 and its height is 5 cm. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6 cm. We have to find the ratio of areas of these triangles. Okay. So for both the triangles they have given bases and heights. Okay. So here we'll consider, let the area, base and height of the first triangle B, area A1, base B1 and height H1 respectively. That is, for first triangle we have considered area as A1, base B1 and height H1. Similarly for second triangle we will consider area, base and height as A2, B2 and H2. Okay, so we'll write, let the area, base and height of the second triangle B, A2, B2 and H2 respectively. Okay, so we have considered area of first triangle A1, base of first triangle B1 and height of first triangle H1. Then area of second triangle A2, base of second triangle B2 and height of second triangle H2. Now we know the property, first property we are going to use, because here we know base and heights are different. Okay, so in this case they have given, see, B1, that is base of first triangle, that is 9. Then H1, height of first triangle, that is 5. Then base of second triangle, that is B2, 10. And height of second triangle, that is H2, 6. Okay, so this is given. We have to find the ratio of their areas. Okay, in this case we are going to use first property. So what is the first property? The ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. So we can write in this way, A1 upon A2. Okay, this is the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to base into height of first triangle divided by base into height of second triangle. Okay, now in the reason we are going to write the whole property. What is the property? Property first we will write. What property we are going to write? The ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding height. So I write here just as property 1, but you need to write entire property here. I have written just property 1. You can't write in this way. You have to write that property 1 here. Okay, in the reason, otherwise your marks will be deducted. Okay, now we want this ratio, so we'll put the values. B1 we know, B1 it is 9, into here we have values H1 5, then we have B2 10 and H2 6. Now we have to calculate these. Here we have numerator and denominator. If possible we can reduce them, we can cut them. Okay, so 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Okay, in this way we can reduce. So we get 9 1s are 9 and 2 into 6. Again we can reduce. See, in first step you can reduce entire things, or suppose if you reduce your entire thing, then it will look little bit mess up. So we'll reduce here next part, that is 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. So 3 upon 2 2s are 4. So A1 upon A2. That is the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to 3 upon 4. So we need to write this. A1 upon A2 is equal to 3 upon 4. We got this. You must have understood this calculation. So final answer. Therefore, the ratio of areas of the triangles is 3:4. This is the final answer. I read second question. Second question is, in figure 1.13, BC perpendicular to AB, AD perpendicular to AB, and BC is equal to 4. You can see BC perpendicular to AB, BC here perpendicular 90 degree to AB, BC perpendicular to AB, then again AD perpendicular to AB, this AD also 90 degree to AB, here also you have perpendicular. BC 4 is they have given 4 BC. Okay, is they have given 4. AD 8, AD they have given 8. From this we need to find area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB. So when you see this figure, we come to know that here base is common. Base AB is common. As base AB is common, we can consider their heights. Okay. Again I explain. See, triangle ABC and triangle ADB. This is triangle ABC and this downward triangle ADB. Both triangle have common base. Okay. See, this is height CB and base is AB. For this triangle height is DA and base is AB. So in both cases we have common base, that is AB. Okay, for triangle ABC base is AB, for triangle ADB base is AB. Okay, and their heights are different. Understood? We will write the solution. As I have explained you, both the triangles have common base AB. so their areas will be proportional to their corresponding heights. Means we have to consider here heights, not base. Base is common. When base is common, we will consider their heights. We have seen in property. So triangle ABC and triangle ADB have common base AB. दोनों का बेस कॉमन है, दैट इज AB. AB is common. Therefore their THEIR, their areas will be proportional to their corresponding heights. Okay, corresponding heights. So we can write therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to, we have to take just heights, corresponding heights. मैं इसमें सिर्फ heights लेने हैं because base is common. I am telling again and again, heights are different, so we'll consider their heights, not base. Okay, so BC upon AD. Okay, we have to write here reason will be triangles with common base. Okay, triangles with common base. I'm not writing reason, you have to write triangles with common base. Triangles with common base. Okay, now we'll put the values. BC, they have given BC, it is 4 and AD is 8, so 4 upon 8. We can reduce this, 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja, that means we get answer area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle ADB is equal to 1 upon 2. Okay, this is our final answer for second